Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to share a PDF presentation on the Zoom app on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have the option to either start a new meeting or join an existing one. For this tutorial, we're going to start a meeting, so tap on Start a Meeting and wait for a few seconds while the app loads your meeting room. After the meeting room loads, you'll see a Start button at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap Start and then wait a few seconds for the meeting to fully initialize. This is when Zoom sets up your audio, video, and other meeting features to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once your meeting is up and running, tap anywhere on your screen to bring up the Zoom controls at the bottom. These controls give you access to all the key features you need during a meeting, including the ability to share your screen and documents. Now, look for the Share button, which should say Start Share. If you can't find it immediately, don't worry, just tap the three dotted lines icon, usually located at the bottom right corner, and you'll see the Share option in the menu that appears. Tap on Share to proceed. After tapping Share, you'll see several sharing options appear on your screen. From this list, select Document. This option is specifically designed for sharing files like PDFs, Word documents, and other similar formats, making it perfect for presentations. Next, you'll be taken to your device's file browser where you can locate the PDF you want to share. Tap on the PDF file from your files and it will appear instantly on your screen for all meeting participants to view. The PDF will be displayed in full screen mode, allowing everyone in the meeting to see your presentation clearly and follow along with the content you're sharing. If at any point you want to stop sharing your PDF, simply tap the Stop Share button at the bottom of your screen. This will end the screen sharing session and return you to the normal meeting view, giving you back control of your camera and other meeting features. And that's it. You've successfully shared a PDF presentation on Zoom using your Android device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.